Detroit Muscle salutes the Bandit Trans Am.
When a car becomes the centerpiece of a movie or TV show, it becomes the co-star. James Bond and the DB5, the Duke Boys and the General Lee, and Burt Reynolds and his Firebird Trans Am. It's the car that jump-started Pontiac in 1977. Sales increased by 20,000 units that year, and it had a lot to do with Smokey and the Bandit.
I've always said it was sexy. Golly, that's a sexy car. It's just got the right lines and it's
Kevin
clean.
King should know. As president of Year One, he's made a business out of resurrecting dreams by distributing and manufacturing hard-to-find classic parts and restoring iconic muscle. One of their latest creations, the Bandit Trans Am.
All we wanted to do was try some modern makeup. You know, we'll flush mount the windows, we'll build bigger wheels and tires, give the interior a little upgrade, put a new modern motor in it, better handling suspension, and turn an otherwise already gorgeous car into a supercar. And that's exactly what we did.
A supercar for a superstar. When approached, the legendary Burt Reynolds himself signed on as a consultant. And at his ranch in Jupiter, Florida,
look at there. Honey, hush.
Burt took delivery of the prototype he helped design.
Wow.
Well, changes per your request.
It's beautiful. I'm under arrest before I even start driving. I've had many people pull up beside me now in not such good shape, 70-something, just like the Bandit car, and they go, "It's your fault." I said, "I'm sorry, partner, but I bet you had a good time." He said, "No, I did. All of them had a great time that ever had this car."
What's it mean to you?
Well, I mean, there's just a flood of memories that come over me when I see this car. But when I saw the first one, this was the first time Jerry Reed had seen it too, and God love him. He said, "Honey, hush." It wasn't in the script. And then we both just were jumping all around it, you know, and then he got in it. And it was a rush, you know, to drive that car.
The original 77 Special Edition featured a 400 cubic inch, 6.6 liter V8. 200 horsepower to the rear wheels would get you down the quarter mile in 16 seconds. An LS7 out of a Z06 Corvette powers this bird. Under the black skin, the Burt Reynolds edition is upgraded in every way, with modified heads and an upgraded cam pushing 605 horsepower. Full tubular subframe, coilovers in the front, adjustable rear forelink. Modernized this muscle in every way. But beyond the mechanics, gauges, seats, and of course the endorsement, this T-top Trans was left alone. The smooth body lines remain, along with the honeycomb grille. The 4 square headlights are gone. In its place, modern sealed units, with bright LEDs for taillights. No doubt, one cool car with one of the coolest cats again behind the wheel. Both from a 36-year-old movie that's still a hoot to watch.
What makes audiences like that film, the reason it's had such an afterlife, is that you're watching people have the time of their life, and they're not faking it. That picture was never work to me. I mean, it was just fun.
We had your best pal in the movie. You got a great dog.
Yeah.
You got a great woman, and you got this car.
Yeah, well, it don't get no better than that, does it? I mean,